Okay, this is a very cheap and practical door barricade bar that you guys can use. I'm using this on the garage door. There's a lot of people that break in through garage doors. Um, but the 2x4, I got it from Home Depot for about $4, and I just cut it to size. Um, and then you buy these little 2x4 steel brackets off Amazon, and you need some 3 or 4 inch wood screws or deck screws. Again, you can get those at Home Depot or even buy some off Amazon. You drill those holes in to where the screws will go into the door frame. That way, when somebody does kick on the door, it has a lot more strength in these brackets. And I have this again on the door that goes to the garage because that is the way a lot of people break in. This is a really good thing to have on at night. Even if somebody does break in through the garage door, I put that 2x4 in, and there's pretty much no way for anybody to break in through that door without being extremely loud. And by that time, I should be ready for them. So anyway, that is one option you have. You also have a lot of other options if this one does not work for you. That's it. Have a good day. Thanks.